Hello students, I am Professor Deepak Patil from Automobile Engineering Department. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the abnormal combustion of the IC engine. First of all, what do you mean by normal combustion? In the normal combustion, the flame is initiated with the help of spark plug and the spark travel across the combustion chamber in the uniform manner so as to combust the complete mixture, that is air fuel mixture, inside the cylinder, and thus that is a normal combustion. Now what do you mean by an abnormal combustion? Abnormal combustion may be arise due to certain problems. Due to the excessive weak mixture, combustion may be slow. This also may causes the abnormal combustion. There are two types of abnormalities. First one is the pre-ignition and second one is the post-ignition. Certain conditions of the combustion may deviate from the normal combustion and which can cause the loss of performance of engine and also may damage the major engine components like the cylinder block and the piston as well as piston rings, and may be termed as the abnormal combustion or the knocking combustion. Due to the abnormal combustion, there may be a loss of power, recurring the pre-ignition and a mechanical damage of the engine. So in this way, this is the abnormal combustion of the IC engine. Next topic is detonation. The air fuel mixture is compressed during the compression stroke and at the end of the compression stroke the spark developed by the spark plug ignites the mixture. Means, as you know that the air fuel mixture is compressed during the compression stroke, and at the end of the compression stroke the spark plug generates the spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. But during this time the mixture does not burn suddenly. A wavefront is formed at the spark plug. The wavefront which is generated or formed at the spark plug moves with the velocity and compressed the unburnt charge. That unburnt charge burns suddenly with a higher explosion. Due to this explosion, pressure wave increases. Which moves to and fro inside the combustion chamber. During to and fro movement, pressure wave strikes the wall. And ringing sound or the pinking sound is generated. This phenomenon is called as the detonation. I will recap with certain points. As all of you know that the air-fuel mixture is compressed during the compression stroke. At the end of the compression stroke, the spark plug develops the spark and ignites the air-fuel mixture. The mixture, which does not burn suddenly at the end of the compression stroke, it generates the wavefront, and the wavefront is generated at the spark plug. That wavefront moves with a higher velocity and compresses the unburned charges inside the cylinder. That unburned charges burn suddenly with a higher explosion, and due to the higher explosion, the pressure inside increases the waves, and that waves moves to and fro inside the combustion chamber. Due to the to and fro movement of the waves, the pressure wave strikes the wall of the cylinder and thus generates the ringing or pinking sound inside the cylinder. That complete phenomenon is known as the detonation. Detonation may causes due to excessive compression inside the cylinder, insufficient octane rating of the fuel, and the carbon deposition inside the cylinder. So in this way, these are the points of the detonation. The next topic is the autoignition. Autoignition means the combustion or the ignition take place automatically. Autoignition refers to the initiation of the combustion without the necessity of the flame. In point wise, I will explain you. Autoignition refers to initiation of combustible mixture without the necessity of spark plug flame or spark flame. This is termed as autoignition. The next topic is about the effects of detonation. There are various types of effects which is caused due to the detonation. The first effect of the detonation is the noise and the roughness. Whenever the intensity of the detonation increases, there is noise is generated due to the development of the pressure, and the wave which vibrate to and fro inside the cylinder, that vibration inside the cylinder causes the crankshaft vibration, and that causes the noise and roughness inside the cylinder. This is the first effect of detonation. Second one is the mechanical damage. In the most cases, knocking is very rapid pressure observed in the sequent wave of the large amplitude, and this rise to increase the rate of wear and tear inside the cylinder head and the block. Thus, due to the highest pressure rise inside the cylinder head, it causes the mechanical damage to the various components. Third one is the carbon deposition. Due to the detonation, there is a higher percentage of the carbon generation inside the cylinder head and thus causes the carbon deposition inside the cylinder. Increase in the heat transfer. Due to the detonation, there is a heat transfer rate and that rate of heat transfer is increased. Power output and efficiency. Due to the detonation inside the engine, the power output and the efficiency get decreased. 6 point, loss of power from the engine. 7th point, combustion of the charge is not efficient. 8 point, due to the detonation, some of the parts of the engine may fail to work. So, likewise, these are the 8 points of the detonations. That means the effect of the detonations. Moving toward the next topic, that is the control of detonation. How we can control the detonation in the engine? So, by increasing the engine RPM, we can reduce the detonation. Second point, retarding the spark. By retarding the spark, it reduces the tendency of the detonation. Third point, reducing the pressure in the inlet manifold by throttling. Means by reducing the pressure inside the inlet manifold by increasing the throttle, it reduces the intake pressure and increases the maximum pressure inside the cycle. Thus, we can control the detonation. Air fuel mixture should make lean so that it will not generate the detonation. Fifth point, using of high octane fuel can eliminate the detonation. Use of lower compression ratio can also control the detonation. If the fuel is not high quality of fuel, then mixing some of anti-knock agent in the fuel so as to reduce the detonation. Suitable combustion chamber design. To reduces the detonation. So these are the 8 points which can help to control the detonation of the IC engine. The next topic related to the detonation is factors affecting detonation or knock. There may be several factors which affects the detonation or knocking. So particular factors such as the fuel. If the fuel is a low self-ignition temperature fuel, then it promotes to the knocking or detonation. Second point, the engine speed. Low engine speed will give low turbulence and low flame velocity. Thus, due to this, knocking may occurs or detonation may occurs at a low speed. Third point, ignition timing. Advanced ignition timing increases the peak pressure and promotes the knocking. Fourth point, mixture strength. Optimum mixture strength gives high pressure and promotes the knocking. Fifth point, compression ratio. Higher compression ratio increases the pressure inside the cylinder and causes the knocking. Sixth point, cylinder cooling. Poor cooling may increase the temperature and promotes the knocking. So these are the several points which affects the detonation. I will recap the points. First of all, the major point affects the detonation or knocking is the fuel. If the fuel quality is low, then the low self-ignition temperature of the fuel will causes the detonation or knocking. Next point is the engine speed. At the low engine speed, it will generate the low turbulence and causes the low flame velocity. Thus, knocking may occur at the low speed. Then the ignition timing. Advanced ignition timing increase the pressure inside the cylinder and it promotes the knocking. So the pressure inside the cylinder should be as required by the engine. It should not be high. Mixture strength. Mixture strength should be as required by the engine. The optimum air fuel mixture gives the high pressure, and due to the high pressure it promotes the knocking. Compression ratio. As the compression ratio is higher, the pressure inside the cylinder is increased, and due to the higher pressure it also causes the knocking or detonation. Last point is the cylinder cooling. Due to the poor cooling effect, there is an increase in the temperature and thus promotes the detonation. So likewise, this is the topic for the detonation. In this lecture, I had explained you what do you mean by abnormal combustion. Then after abnormal combustion, I had explained you what do you mean by detonation, what do you mean by auto ignition. Next, the control of detonation, the effects of detonation, and last point I had explained that what are the factors which affects the detonation or knocking. So in this way I had explained you the complete topic of detonation. I hope all of you must understand this topic properly. If anyone of the student have any query, kindly ask me in the comment box. Thank you.